Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is the only workout you need to stay shredded. So I'm gonna show you my workout today. In fact, I'm gonna show you half the workout because all you do is you do one more round of this. So it's double what I'm about to do. I'll just record half of it and show you. And this is the only workout you need to stay shredded, okay? So I personally do this workout twice a week. I recommend doing it twice a week. I do it on Mondays and Thursdays. You can do it on Tuesday, Friday, Wednesday, Saturday. It doesn't really matter, but twice a week is all you need. That way you have some time for your muscles to heal and recover. Now, in addition to this workout, I do cardio twice a week as well. So I do recommend doing cardio twice a week. But as far as strength training, this is what I do, just twice a week, nice and simple. Now, it's gonna be 3 basic movements: a pull, a push, and a leg. 3 moves. I'm gonna rest about 3 or 4 minutes in between each move. So I'll edit that out of the video, but it's about a 3 to 4 minute rest or so before moving on to the next move. And again, I'll show you one round and then you just do this whole thing twice. Now, make sure you warm up, loosen up, get ready for this, get your blood pumping a little bit. It's important on this workout, since it's really a very simple workout. It's a minimalist workout, so I really push my muscles hard. And there's options for everyone. You're not gonna need a bunch of equipment or weights or anything. It's very simple. The only thing you're gonna need is a pull-up bar, but don't worry if you can't do pull-ups, there's options. You can get pull-up assist bands. They're just bands that will support some of your weight, so that way you can get better at doing pull-ups. So you wanna be able to do pull-ups, or at least be able to do them with an assist band. Okay, but we don't need any weights. So if you see any weights here, my son uses the weights. I don't use weights 99% of the time. I just do body weight exercises, that's all you need. So right now it's about 11 a.m. I also fast throughout the morning, so I just drink water and I have my first meal around 1 p.m. That's a whole different story, but I do recommend working out fasted. Make sure you're nice and hydrated, drink some water, and we're gonna get started. I already did a warm up. So the first move is gonna be pull-ups. Again, get your pull-up assist band if you can't do pull-ups. The first round, as I said, it's gonna be 2 rounds, but I'm only gonna show you 1 round. I'm just gonna be doing regular overhand pull-ups. The second round, I'll be doing chin-ups. So I do switch up the hand positions, but I generally start off with overhand pull-ups on the first round. We'll get started here. Now, one last thing before we start is make sure you, each set I recommend giving your full potential, okay? So you really wanna maximize each set. Once I can't do any more pull-ups, I may do some partials, and once I can't do any partials, I may just hang there until I can't. So really give it everything you got here. Work those muscles, here we go. Okay, that's about all I got. Now, sometimes I'll go a little bit quicker with my pull-ups. I'll go as fast as possible. Other times I slow it down, it's more controlled. I'll do less reps in that case. So right here I did less reps. It was a little more slow and controlled. Other times I'll sort of pump them out more quickly. So different variations on that, depending on what I feel like doing. But whether I'm doing them faster or more slow and controlled doesn't really matter, as long as I'm keeping decent form and I'm going until I can't go anymore. So you'll notice I did my set and I couldn't quite do another rep. I did a couple of partials, then I just hung there for a little bit. So we're gonna take a few minutes break and be right back with the next set. Okay, next up is gonna be a push move. Now, you can do just regular push-ups, which I often do. I do variations as well. Today I'm going to be doing Spider-Man push-ups. They're a little more advanced. It's where you come down for the push-up, you have your knee come up to your elbow and then back up. If you can't do more than, I would say if you can't do more than 15 push-ups, 10 to 15 push-ups, start off by doing them on your knees and build up your strength and work your way up from there. So we're going to be going with Spider-Man push-ups right here for the first round. The second round, I could do another set of Spider-Man push-ups, or I could do just regular push-ups. So we're starting off with Spider-Man here, and still in round one. Okay, a few regulars. Okay. So as you can see, maximize the set. Keeping it simple, but maximizing the set for the best results. A few minutes break, we'll do our leg move. Okay, took a few minutes break. Now we're on our third and final move. It's gonna be jump squats. Now, if you don't like jumping, if you got bad knees or something, you could just do air squats, go down nice and slow and come up. But I like to jump, get some air, get the blood pumping. So I'm gonna do probably 40 or 50 of these. And again, this is round one. This is all I'm going to show you. And then basically just repeat this whole thing one more time. Do a different grip on the pull-ups. So do chin-ups instead of pull-ups. You could do, wider, narrow, whatever. Just switch up your grip. And then on the push-ups, you can vary that up too if you want. You don't need to. And then the second round of the legs, I may do jumping lunges instead of jumping squats. I may just do another set of jumping squats, whatever. All right, here we go. Okay, 50. Feels pretty good. Thanks for joining. Make sure to check out more of my videos. I have a lot of what I eat in a day videos. Subscribe for more, leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Check out the link in the description box. I have a plant-based recipe ebook, so check that out. Let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.